The Religious Society rules published by the Attorney General's office early this month had ignited a contest pitting the government against religious leaders who felt targeted by the proposed regulations. But those regulations have been withdrawn following a meeting between President Uhuru Kenyatta and the religious leaders. The government was forced to retreat after the men and women of cloth threatened to mobilize their supporters to vote against the Jubilee administration in next year's general election, accusing the government of violating the freedom of worship enshrined in the Constitution.
Men that have heard from you, women.
The regulations were specifically meant to streamline the operations of religious organizations and weed out fake preachers who are minting millions of shillings by commercializing matters of faith. The regulations required all religious organizations to seek fresh registration from the Registrar of Societies and comply with all inspection requirements. The Attorney General had also required all preachers to be graduates of recognized theological colleges and have certificates of good conduct obtained from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations. These regulations would have locked out some flamboyant televangelists who have time and again been caught on the wrong side of the law. The regulations further required all foreign preachers to obtain work permits from the Immigration Department before being allowed to minister in the country. Foreign religious organizations would not have operated in the country without a clearance certificate from the Kenyan embassies in the home countries of the religious organizations for ease in tracing their origins and doctrines. To curb mushrooming of religious organizations, the rules required all centers of worship to submit their constitutions and file annual membership returns, including their tax compliance documents and details of all top leaders of the organizations to establish their relationship. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Live at 9.